In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Google account. It's going to be a full guide video, so ensure you watch what I'm going to show you. If you're using your Android or if you're using your iPhone and you love to sign out of your Google account, I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that. This video is really for educational purposes only. So open up your Gmail. What you need to do, just click on this. Once you have clicked on this, click on Manage Accounts on this device. And you're going to be able to see Remove from this device. So if you click on Remove from this device, you're going to be able to sign out your Google account on your device. So the second way you can be able to do this is go to your Chrome, open it up, click on this, click on your account, scroll down. You're going to be able to see sign out. So if you click on it, you're going to be able to sign out of your account on this device. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.